Howdy folks, this is Alan here again, and I'm going to be planting some strawberries. I had these strawberries on the side of the hot tub there. The winter before, they came out okay, but this last winter, we had a deep freeze, and I did have straw over them, but I worked a lot and didn't have time to mess with them, so a lot of them's kind of dying out. They're still good. I'm not sure about this plant here. Still got a little green there. Get some of the dead stuff off of it. Might be viable. Anyway, what I'm going to do here, see that green there? We got a couple more containers we had. This one here, and this came from Dollar Tree. I'm gonna ditch this, throw this out. Okay. See if I can move these here. Slide these over. Oh, finger. Squish my finger. You see, there's a flower here, and there's another bud here too. You know, they're starting to grow back again, some of them. So, we love our strawberries, half of them here. Don't have to worry about going to the store and worry about pesticide on your stuff. So we don't use pesticide on our stuff. Okay, anyway, Shelly ordered some more strawberries. From Seascape Everbearing Strawberries. And that's what those others are, Everbearing. What I'm going to do here, think I'm doing something wrong, let me know. I'm not a pro at this. I don't think that's deep enough, actually. Okay. Get another one here. Just bury it right at the crown. There's a lot of, I think she got about 15 or 16 of these. So there's going to be a lot. As far as down as I can. I'm might try to overcrowd them a little bit. You're not supposed to, but some root system on it. Very good root system. Okay. Maybe stick one in here. Okay, let's see if I got any room over here. Pretty sure I do. That one I'm gonna keep for now. Put one right down here. Oh, gotta make sure to water them all the time too. I was holding 2 part-time jobs, and I was just so tired and overworked, and got up early in the morning. Okay, that one there I'm gonna keep. And that one there I'm gonna keep. Let's see what these look like here. Nah, these are dead. I'm getting rid of these. See that? I broke that one out. Again, I'll put another one right here. That one there over there in the far corner. I'm going to keep that one there too, though. So I'm going to put 2 more here. You know, I was going to put some in the barrel, but I don't have enough now. Didn't count them. Maybe later I can spread them out more. Get another barrel if I have to. One left. Oh, we're going to put that one. See, all these are filled up. That one there I'm going to keep. Let me see if I can sneak one over here. Oh, man. I'll put one right here, I guess. I can always spread it out later. Throw this paper away. We're supposed to get some rain tomorrow, supposedly. That's it. That should be good enough. Well, thanks for watching. We'll keep an eye on it. I'll keep making videos on it, and we'll see what goes on next. Until next time, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe so you can keep up with the strawberries. Later.